Alright, y'all, Dirt Fishman here, y'all. It's my boy. We'll open up some Hot Wheels for you. But first, they wanted to show you what they got me for Christmas, y'all. It's a Hot Wheels light.
Hot Wheel light.
They just wanted me to show y'all what they got. Alright, y'all, let's turn this camera around. Let's open up some cars and have some fun. Say y'all, say y'all hays. Hey. Alright.
Okay.
Let's turn this thing around. Let's turn this thing in the center. Alright, y'all. Up first, going to be the Corvette Stingray. You want to open it up, Trey? Pull that paper. Pull that paper. There we go. Let me hold it. Thank you. No, that's a Stingray, baby. Corvette Stingray. Check that out, y'all. Well, that was on the turn, y'all. We're going to open up the 92 Ford Mustang. There you go, Trey.
What do about that? Oh, it's just a Mustang.
That's a Mustang, baby. That's a Fox body. Yep. Well, leave that over there now. Can you get it? Alright, y'all. Check this Fox body out. Alright, y'all. That one's on the turn. Y'all, we're going to open up the 91 GMC Cyclone. The V6 Turbo. Rip it. Pull right there. Rip that joker.
Dad, do you know that old Mustang? Not that. Hey, do you know that old Mustang?
Mm-hmm.
You know that old Mustang? I found it.
Check the old Cyclone out, y'all. You found the old Mustang.
Yeah, but it's in an older condition.
Yeah, it is. Alright, y'all. This is new for 2025, y'all. The 6.6 Buick Riviera. It's another one of them Jaguars.
Jaguar.
Yeah.
I want that.
Move back, baby.
Jaguar.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Check out the old Buick.
Jaguar.
This is the Jaguar, baby.
Jaguar.
All right, y'all. That one's on the turn. Up and open up the 73 Honda Civic Custom. I see, baby. Alright. Check the old 73 out, y'all. Alright, y'all. That one's on the turn up and open up the 67 Ford GT40.
What the car is this?
It's a GT40. It's a race car. Ford. Alright, y'all. Check that one out. Yeah. Well, y'all, that's all that we got for y'all today right here to open up. So I'm going to turn this camera around. We're going to say our goodbyes.
Bye-bye.
Wait a second. I got to turn it around. Come here. Come on, Trey. Stand up. Say bye. Peace out.
Peace.
All right, y'all. If you like what you see, subscribe to our channel, please.